Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's day 18 with the bird's nest. They should be hatching really soon, hopefully. But Mama Bird, she's over there on the fence again. She's mad. But there's the 3 eggs. Like, there's 2 big ones and then 1 small one. And of course, the reason why Mama Chirpy is mad at me is because I'm taking a video of her bird's eggs. Which was why they should be hatching soon, hopefully. So make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit those post notifications so you don't miss any videos. So, bye guys.